So guys, another episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Started a little late tonight. I didn't bore you with the stuff that I just did, but today what I'm gonna do is put a little cheap bed in the back of my 69 C-10, and just with leftover stuff that I have. Like I said, it's not permanent or anything, but it'll be cool just to have for, however long it lasts. All right, and also, if you can see, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Hope that comes out. Now, all the shirts are not going to be like this. This one's just a promo. This one's mine. The real ones are going to be white shirt with black print or black shirt with white print. Like I said, this one's just one of a kind. Person that did it for me. Thank you, Elvin. I'll put a link down below for his Instagram. All right. This is what I've done so far. Like I said, all I've used is scrap. I haven't used any money. This is all scrap wood. Even the flooring, it's left over from a room that we did. Actually, I have two colors, so if it gets bad, I can change colors and do that one. I'll show that in a little bit. But what I did on the bottom is I got alder. So the bottom skeleton is all alder. So it's a hardwood. And then on top of that, I got some 2x12s across to support it. And then just 1/2 inch plywood. Then I'm going to cover up this. I just wanted to show you. I'm going to cover this area with plywood also. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Gonna have to continue in the morning. Hey you guys, the next day, I'm going to finish up the bed, hopefully today. And so, let's get to work. But first, I'm going to freshen up the inside of the bed. I already bed lined it with some rubberized coating. But I'm just going to make it black again. I didn't do the inner fenders. But the whole inside of the bed is already undercoated. So I'm just gonna freshen it up, make it more black again. Alright, so I sprayed with rattle can. I'm better with a spray gun than rattle can, which is a good thing. But it didn't come out too bad. I had to do a couple of coats. That rubberized stuff really soaks up paint. And I got the wrong paint. I thought it was flat black. It's satin. so I kind of screwed up there. So, but it's coming along pretty good. And as you can tell, I'm gonna have to do the back streaky on the side, streaky. I had enough for this fender, inner fender, so that one came out nice, but I'm gonna have to do a second coat on the passenger side and front, and probably do the tailgate later. But basically this is what I'm gonna do, is use this house flooring. It's not gonna last, I know that. It's temporary. Like I said, it's just cheap for show. If you want to take your truck to a meet or a show or something and you don't have a bed, it's a cheap way of doing it. And then later on you can rip it up, put your real bed that you're going to do or whatnot. But this is what I'm going to do for temporary, so I can use the bed, put stuff in it, mess it up. I don't care. I have rubber mats that I can throw in here on top of this, and it'll stay a little bit longer. So but yeah, so basically it's just cheap stuff. What I might do later on is get waterproof. They have outdoor flooring, but like I said, all I'm doing, this is costing me nothing, $0, zero. So it's just scraps that I have left around the house. So if you got scraps, you're bored, this is a little cool idea. So let's finish it up. Alright, I'm almost done. Hasn't really taken me that long. I've just been taking my sweet ass time. Plus, like I said, I had to go get blades. Now I gotta take another break, go pick up my son at his grandma's house. So see you guys in a little bit. And there you guys have it. Cheap little bed. Leftover products that I had. Like I said, it might not last long, but at least it looks good, and I could actually install these, my air tanks. And I might order a kit that's on eBay. Simple little airbag kit, control switch, 2 compressors I think, or 1, I'm not sure. It's this kit right here. So it's a simple one. It's gonna work for what I need to do, but at least I can put my tanks, compressor, everything back here and utilize my bed. I might do something like this. Put 1 tank here, the other tank over there, and then 2 compressors in the middle somewhere on like a stand or something. But I don't know, maybe I'll put the 2 tanks close together with the 2 compressors together. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I don't know, I like it. It's pretty cool for temporary. It's not bad. Alright guys, that's gonna end another episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, peace.